Hello angels, welcome to my channel. I am Vivian. Today's video will be discussing how to start Okirika business. Alright, Okirika business is a lucrative business, but when you don't start well, you start to fail. Oh yes, so that is why I have decided to share with you the steps you need to follow, what you need to know, what you need to do before you start so that you don't fail when you start. In starting a business in Nigeria, there are things you need to do and there are things you need to know. Let us start with the things you need to know before you start. You need to know that you don't need millions to start a business in Nigeria. Yes, you heard me well. If you have up to 100,000 naira, 100,000 naira, you can start a business. The second thing you need to know is that you are starting a business organization and not a charity organization. Yes, you are starting a business. A business is profit oriented. Major aim is to make profit. The thing you need to know, you need to note that the money that will make you rich is in the hands of people you don't know. So you don't sell on credit. Credit selling kills business. It kills Okrika business. You'll be calculating your money, but the money you're calculating are in the hands of people. People that are owing you. People that are heartless, that are not even willing to pay you back. So you don't make mistake of selling on credit when you start. Three things you need to know before you start. You don't need millions. Number two, you're starting a business organization. Your aim is to make profits. The third one is the money that will make you rich. You want to become rich, yeah, from this business. The money that will make you rich is in the hands of people you don't know. So don't make mistake of selling on credit when you start. All right. The part B of this is what you need to do before you start. What you need to do before you start. You need to cut a niche. You need to find out where you want to belong to. Do you want to sell men wears? Do you want to sell female wears? Do you want to sell children wears? Cut a niche. Find out what you want to sell, what you want to go into. All right? When you find out what you want to go into now, then the second thing you need to do is to find out who are your prospective buyers? Who are they? Okay, you have said you want to go into men wears. Is it men underwears? Is it men trouser, shirts, and the rest? Find out whom your prospective buyers are. Are you going to sell to students? Are you selling to office people? Find it out before you start. All right, the third thing you need to do is to find out where your customers, prospective customers will meet you. Are you going to sell online? Are they meeting you online? Consider the pros and cons. Whatever you choose, consider the advantages and disadvantages before you make a choice. All right? Are you going to start a mobile shop? That is, you'll be taking whatever you're selling to their shops, to their offices or homes for them to buy from you. Are you going to stay in a shop? Are you going to rent a shop? Or do you want to stay in an open market? The last but not the least is find out a trusted supplier. Before we continue, have you liked this video? Have you? Are you not getting value from here? If you're getting value, like this video, subscribe to this channel for more updates. Share this video to people that need it. I mean it. A lot of people want to start a business, but they don't know how to go about it. This last point is the major point. I'm telling you, find a trusted supplier. 70% of your success rate in this business depends on this last point. If you get a trusted supplier, or more, you don't make them. If you don't, see you and see failure. Oh yes, because we have bills and we have bills. So before you rush into it, find a trusted supplier. See you in my next video. Bye bye.